Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change Google background images and color theme. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google at your PC. Then at the bottom on the right side of the screen, you have this Customize Chrome button. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of dark and light. It's your choice that you keep your Google mode dark or light. Then here you have Change Theme button. Just click on it. Once you click on this button, then this type of page will appear. Here you have some different themes. You can choose from there, or you have the option of solid colors. Once you click on it, too many solid colors will appear on your screen. You can choose the background color of your Google from these solid colors. It's your choice that what color you choose. Then at the top, you have the button of upload an image. Click on it. Once you click on this button, then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Then from here, you need to choose that image which you want to add. Once you choose that image, then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. In a while, you can see that this image will appear on the background of your Google. So this is the easiest and simplest way of changing Google background images and color themes. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.